If you've ever wanted to explore the moon, this is probably the closest place on Earth to do it, and it's been a bucket list item of mine to see the sunset here for a long time. Most Americans have never heard of this place in Bolivia, and it's truly one of the craziest landscapes in the world. There's so much cool science how the salt forms here, but I was interested in going out on the landscape myself. So if you do a single day tour, you start with an abandoned train yard in the morning, followed by some very cool salt hotels completely made of salt bricks. And you can stay in these, but I'm too broke for that. Then we entered out into the salt flats, and there are no highways, but only lines of salt to follow, and you can drive anywhere. Turns out there are a bunch of these little holes in the salt everywhere, and they have crystals inside, and they're called the eyes of the salt. We had a lunch with quinoa and vegetables from our tour before heading out deeper onto one of the few islands full of cacti, if things weren't already weird enough. But once the sun started going down, things changed, and I could not believe the views we were getting. But before I show you, the day tour is $21, so if this place isn't on your bucket list, something might be wrong with you. Certain parts of the flats flood during the season, and I was lucky to see the water completely still, which means 360-degree sky in every